Alright guys, you are welcome once again to another episode. In today's video, I have an update I want to share with you that will enable you to make 500 naira per review. Alright, for every review you drop on their site, you earn 500 naira. And I tell you, this is legit like anything you can think of. Alright, so in this 2024, so if you're looking for a way to earn money, this is one avenue you can explore. Alright, so the name of the sites, I'll just take you through because this video is going to be straight to the point. So this is the site. If you come to your browser, you come to Marker online store. This is it here. All right, this is Marker. All right, Marker is an e-commerce website that allows you to buy, and they have a fast rate of they are very fast in terms of delivery. Okay, if you order a product, they can deliver as fast as possible. And also, apart from the fact that they offer a fast delivery, their product is very affordable. I tell you, their product is very affordable. I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can create an account on their site and how you can also um, get access to this 500 naira per review. Right, for every product you review on the site, you get 500 naira credited to your account. Okay, so once you come to the site, just like what you are seeing here, if you click on, you can sign up with your phone number or email, you can sign up to your Facebook. Right, let me just skip for now. Once you skip, all right, so you just allow it to load up. You can see these are some of the people that have reviewed the product. Right, now if you come over to this side like this, you can see this. Now let me walk you through the shop. This is the shop. Right, now come over to new in. All right, you can see the new in. You can see this short as good as 6,000 naira. You can see this pant 19,600, and this is something that when you go to boutique, you some of this boutique you'll be hearing 35,000 naira and above. All right, you can see this now 26,000 naira. You can see this one. All right, you can see polo, and the good thing about this site is that you can get quality polo for as low as 4,000 naira. All right, you are not paying for anything delivery. That means you are not paying for delivery fee. The product will be delivered to you at your respective location. Okay, now you can see some of these things, and let me take you to let's go to clothing, and let's look at t-shirt and polo. You can see this now. This is this polo 4,000. This is 6,000. Now look at this one. As good as this polo is now, you can see it for 3,700, and that is the amount you're going to pay till the product gets to you. They are not going to charge you anything extra for delivery or shipping. All right, so you pay for that and it will be delivered to your respective location. You can see this 7,000 naira. All right, you can see this 8,000 naira. You can see this big hoodie for 4,900. That's approximately 5,000 naira. All right, so that is the now. Let me give you the juicy part of it. Now concerning the 500 naira I'm talking about. So if you come to the site now and you order for a product, all right, you order for a product. Let's say for instance I want to order for this particular product now. You can see the number of persons that have reviewed. All right, if you come to the site now and you look at this trending review and you order for a product, and after accessing the product, you see that the product is up to what you requested. Once you pay for it and the product is delivered to you and you have seen the product, you can come to the site and drop a review. Right, what's a review? Just a comment or your testimonial. Okay, I ordered for this particular product and it was delivered to me. This is how the product is, just like that. All right, just like that, and you have earned yourself 500 naira. All right, so this is one way in which you can make money in this 2024. All right, just order for any product, and the thing is, it's not a must that you order for product of if you are not interested in polo, they have other things you can order. All right, now let me still show you. They have cosmetics. All right, they have cosmetics. Sorry, cosmetics. Okay, they have cosmetics. They have shoes. Where is this? Cosmetics. Let me go back. Okay, you can see skincare, they have shoes, they have accessories. Look at the accessories. All right, see view all. All right, you can see this now. 6,000 naira. You can see this. You can see this cap. All right, they have that. You come back again. They have socks. All right, they have hat and cap. They have skincare. Okay, you can see the skincare. You can see view all. What's going on? Okay. All right, so let me go back. They have shoes. So irrespective of what you want, what you are looking for, it works it works well on your mobile device. So if you are using a mobile device, I tell you this is just an avenue of making yourself 500 naira per review. So if you are interested, just move over to marker.com, right, and get yourself this particular offer. All right. Hope you got value from this short video. Thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.